Hello and welcome guys to another unboxing video.
Today we have Thor 380 by Genesis. It's like a Thor hammer or something?
Yeah, I will kill people with it.
Okay, very nice. So as I see, it's a mechanical gaming keyboard or something like that.
Yes.
Okay, with blue switches. I wanted to say cherry blue, but I think it's a fake version of cherry blues.
No, I don't know.
Why you don't know? Okay.
So how heavy? For me?
Yes.
First?
Yes.
800 grams.
800 grams. He's good with grams, no? Is it more or is it less? Is it more or is it less? A kilogram.
Oh shit, I think you will be right. Let's go and see. Gaming software to download, please visit our website.
Wait.
Wait. Oh my god, more than a kilo. It's a kilo and
50 grams.
40, 30 grams, 33, 45 grams. So you were right this time. Sheesh. I was hoping you would say less, but you went with more. So now let's unbox it and see what's inside. You wanna break my gadgets today?
Yes.
You almost broke my computer. Now you want to...
Yes.
Okay. What do we have inside?
I don't know, let me guess. Maybe a keyboard.
Can be.
Could be.
What else? What is this?
He buys the keyboard, he don't know what he gets. This is a key removal tool. You put
really?
it on the key and you remove the key.
Oh,
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Also some paperwork.
No.
You don't need that.
We need this.
No.
We need.
No.
Show me the keyboard.
No, you show the tray first.
This is for your wrist.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
And there we go.
A beautiful, beautiful keyboard.
Okay.
It's not shining, so it's not that beautiful.
You know the first step?
Assemble it.
No. Okay.
Sounds like a
It's quite nice.
old printing machine or something like that. Typing machine. What about the space? Do.
It's quite alright. What about, is it magnetic?
Let's see.
Oh yes it is.
Yes.
Nice. We have some lights now. Nice. Okay.
Can we talk about the specs first?
Okay, about the specs, yes, of course. So, this keyboard, as you can see probably from that camera, there is RGB with 13 backlight modes, I guess, I believe so, yeah.
Yes.
And the cable length, 1.6 meters, plenty of the cable, yeah.
Keyboard has 12 multimedia keys, response time 8 milliseconds. And this keyboard also has anti-ghosting technology. That means you can press the multiple buttons at the same time. So like that. Not...
Okay, I guess it works.
So now let's see how the app works that you can control the lights. That's why I need computer. Top.
Let's see what we have here, guys, let's see. Oh, hackerman.
Don't show my IP.
Okay, okay, you want to me to show you RP? Okay.
Stop it! Stop! So, here we have an app. A little bit small, I can see.
It's average, it's not small.
Here we have different type of background lights.
Okay.
So,
Show me some.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I like which one, I don't remember which one I like.
It's nice waves.
It's breathing. Here.
What does it do?
You see? Breathing. It's breathing. Which one I like? I don't
Could
remember
be better,
the
could
name.
be better.
Maybe this one?
What does it do?
Wait a second.
Oh.
Yes.
After the
I
key,
like this one.
Okay, after the key press, okay.
I don't know if you all can see it, but I hope.
Maybe we can turn on the light, turn off the lights
Brightness.
for
Apply.
them to see. Maybe. I will try to open a text editor and to write something. What should I write?
Your name. Yoman.
Yes.
I think there is a better one. Wait a minute. Reaction. This one I think is a better one. Let's see.
Oh yes, I understand it now.
Wait a minute. Brighter.
And
Let's try.
put me in the editor. Yes.
Yes, that looks so cool. Oh my god.
Of course, it can be very distracting when you try to type something, like, I don't know, doing your bachelor's work or something. And maybe gaming when you like playing and doing this, and it's always like... Well, I mean, it looks good. I'm not sure about the usability of it.
Yeah, but it's kind of the same like other modes, like that type of mode.
Okay.
It's kind of also distracting, but
Yeah.
But at the same time, how much
When you
of
want
the time
to-
do you look at
Yes.
the keyboard?
When you want to look cool in front of your gaming friends
When you
and your non-existent girlfriend, you can use it. Top tip of the day.
what else do we have? Sine wave. If you are an audio guy, you should use this one.
Yeah,
Maybe a little bit slower, I can see, right?
you can try. Okay, okay.
That looks nice.
Yeah, yep.
I'm happy with this product. You are typing, you can't do anything. Wait a minute, we have another reaction. I don't know what does it do. Wait, now.
Oh, the key stays lit after you press it,
Oh,
and it fades away.
wait, I will do it slower so it should stay for a longer time of period. Wait a minute, brightness and apply. Nice. Okay, that's nice. If you want to play with your keyboard, you can do it like that.
Yes, also, and if you want to draw penis, you can do it like that.
Cut this out. It took me a while to understand what you just said. So we have this button that makes your button a little bit brighter or less bright. Okay.
I'm not sure.
Now you see it doesn't show anything. Now it gives the brightness, or you wait a minute. I press it and it changes the mode, right?
Yep.
So sine wave. What else? What do we have here?
Just standing, glowing thing.
Nice. Nice. And what had? Oh, less bright and more bright.
Raining. Okay, okay.
Smooth.
Okay, this one I like. This
Yeah.
one, I like it. I like your kanji.
It's the best one I can see. randomly. Nothing happens. Nice. Yeah, just like that.
Shine bright like a diamond. Yeah.
This one is also interesting.
Yep.
Kind of. Except if you are typing at night. Okay, we are back. Also, we have these buttons.
Media control keys, yep.
There are 3 custom modes, and I think you can assign which one. So wait a minute.
Yes.
Custom mode 1. No.
Yes, custom mode 1, then 2. And just do something like the third one. Do something like the third one.
Custom mode 3.
Yep, and
yeah, it kinda looks like the same.
Yeah, it's just like a recall buttons, you know, like you can recall like the presets for your. Very nice.
Office mode.
Okay, office mode. What is that? Okay, office mode is just a simple RGB keyboard.
Then you need to just to type in.
Just try the keys. It's like the most important part about keyboards. How are the keys and how is the feel of the keyboard?
Does it work for your wrist? Is it helpful? Yeah, I can say it's helpful. Gamers like always.
Yes.
WASD.
Well, not always.
LSD.
When you break the W key, you have to like move it to the side or something.
I hope it won't happen to me.
True story. It happened to me before.
You can also program the lights by yourself with the FN button. There are clear instructions on the internet if you want to. You can read it and program it, but I don't need it. I really like this preset. I think. Okay, I like the keyboard.
Good. So that brings us probably to our conclusions.
Type in goodbye and we will see in the next video. No. Nothing happened.
Okay.
So what do you think about this keyboard?
You know what? It might actually be the first thing I'm considering buying after testing there, because usually he buys.
Finally.
Usually he buys a bunch of crap. So maybe something I will consider to add to my own personal setup. Maybe.
I hope so.
Why?
Because I want that at least one item will be bought also by you.
Okay.
That I did the influence.
Okay, I see. I think the price on it makes it like a good deal because
I paid for it 50 euros.
50 euros, okay. So 50 euros you get like fake cherry MXs, but still the mechanical feel you get to it, it's quite nice. It got like nice click to it. Quite satisfying.
And also I think.
And also the lighting, yeah. Well, I mean, like lighting is like give or take. It's like something on your personal level if you enjoy it or not. But I think I like the feel of the keyboard, and that's the most important thing. If you like how it feels.
And also a magnetic wrist.
Yeah.
Rest.
Okay, let me do one quick test. Let me get back to my old days of. Okay. It has a nice size to it, you know, it's like easy to reach the keys and stuff.
So, alright, for
approved
to subscribe, share.
Yes, so guys.
And share, and we will meet in another. Oh. See you in the next one. Goodbye, guys. I hope you like it.